Which desert is the hottest place in Africa? Sahara Desert. Who protects Costa Rica's borders instead of an army? The police. Why are there no mosquitoes in Iceland? Because the weather is too cold. Which U.S. city has the most billionaires? New York. Which part of Russia is known as the coldest inhabited place? Siberia. In which country is Mount Everest located? Nepal. Nepal. What kind of animals can live in the Sahara Desert? Camels. Which river flows through the Amazon rainforest? The Amazon River. Who built the Taj Mahal for his wife? Shah Jahan. What do dogs mainly use their noses for? Smelling things. What natural feature is mostly found in Saudi Arabia? Deserts. Which Italian city is known for canals instead of roads? Venice. At what age do children in Finland usually start school? Seven. In which U.S. desert was the world's hottest temperature recorded? Death Valley. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. What is the main river flowing through Bangkok? Chao Phraya River. Which country has the most islands in the world? Sweden. Which country drinks the most tea per person? Turkey. Which country is known for robots and high technology? Japan. Which European country has thousands of lakes? Sweden. Which country is famous for having people with bright green eyes? India. Which country has the oldest flag in the world? Denmark. Which city is home to the Eiffel Tower? Paris. Which small insect causes the most deaths each year? Mosquito. Which country is the most expensive to live in? Switzerland. Which country celebrates New Year first? New Zealand. How many babies are born every second in the world? 4. In which country do people celebrate the Day of the Dead? Mexico. Which country has more sheep than people? New Zealand. Which is the oldest country in the world? Egypt.
Which country is named after a woman? Saint Lucia. Which country has a national tree planting day? Pakistan. Which city is located on two continents? Istanbul. In which country are there more bicycles than people? Netherlands. Which food is eaten the most in the world? Rice. Which is the poorest country in the world? Burundi. Which currency is used the most around the world? Dollar. Which river is the longest in the world? Nile River. What type of weather kills the most people each year? Heat waves. Where is the world's oldest university located? Morocco. Which country produces the most diamonds? Russia. In which country do people eat the most chocolate? Switzerland. Which country borders the most other countries? China. What was the capital of Japan before Tokyo? Kyoto. Where can you find a pink lake? Australia. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada. Where is the world's highest waterfall located? Venezuela. Which country has the longest road tunnel? Norway. Which country drinks the most coffee per person? Finland. What language do people speak in Japan? Japanese.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.